Okay, guys. So today let's go on 30 ml. Actually, we also have 20 ml, but there's no too many difference between 10 ml and 20 ml. So today let's talk about 31. As you can see, here are 3 cans of bottles. This one version 2, long one. This one version 2, shorter one. This one version 3, longer one, taller one. And this one version 3, short one. And this one actually I got from my clients who used our bottles. So maybe I can show you this one first. This one. This is e-liquid inside. As you can see, I think it's still soft enough. Then I want to show you how to fill the short one first. Short one. Okay. $30 ml. The left one is version 2, right one is version 3. To the neck, the water value level is around the neck. Almost 30 ml. Same to neck. Then version 2, put the tip first. Then using the cap to help, because this one is a little hard, tight, not easy to push in. Usually they use machines, use machine to push the tip. Then for this one, version 3, tip inside already. The tip won't so okay, now open it. You see, when you open it, the tip already inside the can, the bottle. Also this one, tip already inside the bottle. You see, like this, it won't leak out, so the tip is good enough. Okay, then show you to squeeze out the water. Actually, whatever version 2 or version 3, we have the flat cap. Flat cap. Flat cap. This is version 3, this is version 2. Flat cap. Also for 10 ml or 15 ml. Then let's try longer one. 30 ml. Little, I think I put extra water, more than 30 ml. Oh my god, it's my fault. Put too many. Actually, it will be like this. The level will to the neck. Then capping, this one. First to put the tip. Put the tip inside the bottle, and then capping. Let's try flat cap, okay? Flat cap, tip inside. Oh my god. So this is not very convenient for version 2. The ring will will go out itself. Then version 3. Okay. Also, this one. Also this one. Version 3 flat cap. Tip inside. Flat cap. So so that's all the 30 ml. That's all for today. Thank you.